Welcome to Learn to Code with Rust. My name is Boris Pascaver, and I'm a software engineer and consultant based in the New York City area. I'm excited to introduce you to Rust, a fast, safe, and modern programming language that is rapidly rising in popularity. So first up, what is Rust? Rust is a systems programming language. Systems programming refers to a category of languages that are optimized for situations where resources are limited. When we refer to resources, we mean the computer's memory and CPU. We'll discuss those terms in greater depth later. There's other systems programming languages out there like C and C++ and Go, but Rust's language design enables the speed of those languages, but with additional safety and stability. Rust was developed by Graydon Hoare while working at Mozilla, and it made its public debut in 2010. Today, Rust can be set up on all modern operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. So what can Rust build? Quite a lot. Rust can be used to build command line programs, build tools, device drivers, databases, other programming languages, web applications, operating systems, and more. And it's that versatility that explains why Rust is used by many different companies today, including AWS, Microsoft, Firefox, Cloudflare, and Discord. Now, there are many different options for programming languages out there, and there's several benefits to learning Rust specifically. First up, Rust programs are safe, fast, and efficient. Rust also combines the best features and patterns of existing programming languages, but also introduces new ones. So whether you are a new developer or an experienced one, Rust will likely teach you something new. In addition, Rust is skyrocketing in popularity. And truth be told, due to Rust's complexity, Rust jobs can often command pretty high salaries. So I want to close this lesson off with some fun facts for you to get you excited about Rust. First up, Stack Overflow's annual developer survey has found Rust to be the most loved developer language for 8 years running, and that speaks to the fact that the language offers something new and fresh. Twitter's Jack Dorsey has called Rust a perfect programming language. And another fun thing, Rust developers are called Rustaceans, which comes from the term crustaceans. You'll notice a lot of Rust terminology in the documentation has a nautical or a sea-based theme. It's a nice tongue-in-cheek aspect of the community.
For watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion. Thanks again for being part of our community. See you in the next video.